Hello everyone, welcome to Java Tech Talk. I am introducing this Java tutorial designed especially for complete beginners. In this course, you will learn Java from very basics to advanced concepts. I will explain all Java concepts in a clear and simple way. In this tutorial, each topic will be covered step by step with real-time example, so everyone can easily understand how Java works in real applications. This course is perfect for freshers who wants to start their career in Java, and also it's suitable for experienced candidate who wants to revise their core Java fundamentals. Today we will discuss course content of this Java tutorial. Java fundamentals. This is the basic and most important concepts. Here you will learn what is programming language and what are the types of programming language. What is Java? Who initiated the Java? When the first version of Java got released and what is the current version of Java? Next we'll see what are the Java features like platform independent, multi-threaded, robust, secure, and we'll see many more Java features. What is Java Development Kit? What is Java Runtime Environment? And what is Java Virtual Machine? Next, we'll see Java Program Execution Flow. I will explain how the Java program will execute. Here we'll see what is compiler, what is runtime environment, what is the main method, what is the class. We'll discuss what are the identifiers and what are the how many keywords available in Java. Next, data types. What are the types of data types? Primitive data types, non-primitive data types, int data type, byte, short, int, long, float, etc. And we will also see Boolean and character data type. Next topic, variables, types of variables, how to assign the values to a variable, what are the types of variables, local, instance, and static variables. Next, we'll see literals. We have string literals, int literals, floating point literals, etc. We'll discuss more on literals. And then typecasting. In typecasting, we can see implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting. Next topic, we'll see operators and assignments. Increment decrement operators. Here we will discuss what is the pre-increment, post-increment, and pre-decrement and post-decrement. And we'll discuss how to perform how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division by using the arithmetic operator. Next, we'll see relational operators, how double equal to operator will work, not equal to operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, we'll see. Then logical operator, logical and logical or, logical not, we'll discuss. Then we'll see bitwise operators, and then we'll see assignment operators like how to assign a value to the variable, we'll discuss. And ternary operator, we'll see how to add the conditions by using ternary operator, we'll discuss. Next topic, control statement. Control statement is playing a major role in Java. Here we can see three types of statements: conditional statements, iterative statements, and jump statements. In conditional statements, we can see if, when to go for if, when to use else, when to use if else, and when to use else if, and what is the working of switch case we will discuss. Then iterative statement, a group of statements will execute repeatedly. When to go for the while loop, when to go for do while loop, what is the working of for loop, and what is enhanced for loop, I mean for each. Then we'll discuss about jump statement, break, continue, and return. Let's move on to the other topics. Methods in Java. Methods, how to declare a method, how to call the method from one method to another method, what are the parameters, and what is the return type we will see, and what are the types of methods available in Java, instance methods and static methods. What is the variable scopes? We will discuss more on variable scope because it is a important concept. Then we will see what is object, how to create an object, how many ways we can create an object, and what is the constructor, what is the default constructor. Default constructor will provided by Java JVM by default. How to create a parameterized constructor, how to create the object by using constructor, we will discuss. Next topic, array handling. Array is the most important concept. We will see how to declare the array, how to initialize an array, one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and we'll discuss some predefined methods of array. We'll discuss, and we'll see what is the length and length method. We'll see the some differences here. Next, string handling. String is a very important concept. Here we will see what is string class, why string is immutable, what are the string class methods like to lowercase method, to uppercase method, intern method, equals method, dot equals method. Next, string buffer, string builder. What is the working of string buffer and string builder? What is the differences between string class and string buffer and string builder? Next topic we will see object-oriented programming. Oops, this is the heart of Java. There are four pillars: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. In polymorphism, we can see method overloading, method overriding. We can achieve the abstraction by using abstract classes and interfaces. We will discuss about abstract classes and interfaces, types of interfaces. We can see normal interfaces, functional interfaces, and marker interfaces. We'll discuss more on this. And next topic is exception handling. Here you will learn what is exception, what is error, and exception hierarchy. What are the types of exceptions like checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions, and how to handle the exception by using try catch blocks, and how what is the bucking of finally block, how to throw the customized exceptions, and what is the differences between throw and throws keywords, and we'll discuss here. And next topic, collection framework. There is no Java interview will be conducted without collection. Here you will learn what is collection, what are the limitations of array, what are the advantages of collection, and next, collection versus collection class. Collection is an interface and collections is a class. We'll see some differences here. Next, collection hierarchy. Collection is an interface, it has some child interfaces. This collection has been introduced in Java 1.2 version. In the collection hierarchy, we can see list, set, queue, DQ. List interface has child classes like array list, linked list, vector, stack. We will discuss what is the internal implementation of array list and linked list, how they are working internally. And we'll also see the set interface. Set interface has hash set and linked hash set, sorted set, navigable set, and tree set. Queue interface contains priority queue, blocking queue, and we'll discuss about DQ as well. Next, we'll discuss about map interface. In map interface, you will learn hash map, linked hash map, weak hash map, identity hash map, sorted map, tree map, and navigable map. There are some cursors also there, iterator, list iterator, enumeration, and most important concept we will discuss here, comparable and comparator. These two are the functional interface. We will see the differences, and I will explain when to go for comparable and when to go for comparator. Next topic, multi-threading. As we discussed in the Java features, Java is a multi-threaded environment. Here you will learn introduction to thread, what is the thread, what is the process, how many ways we can create a thread. We can create a thread by three ways: by extending thread class, by implementing the runnable interface, by implementing the callable interface. What is the thread lifecycle? What is the synchronization? In synchronization, you will learn what is object lock, what is class lock. And next, why wait method, notify all methods are present in object class but not thread class. And next, thread pool. Here in thread pool, you can see executor framework. By using this executor framework, we can reuse the threads. And next topic, we will see java.lang.object class. Here, we'll see object class methods like get class method, equals method, hash code method, clone method, notify all method, wait method, etc. We'll discuss in details about the object class methods. And another important topic, auto boxing and auto unboxing. And we'll see what are the wrapper classes available in Java like integer, float, double, long. Next topic is file handling. How to handle the files in Java will discuss file input and file output operations. And finally, garbage collection. Here we can see way to make an object eligible for garbage collection and methods that are requesting JVM to run the garbage collection and finalize method we will discuss. All these topics I will give my best to deliver the content. If you want to become a Java developer, you should have sound knowledge on these all these topics. Then only you will set to be a Java developer. I will post the sessions day by day, not daily. You will get the chance to practice the Java programs. If you like the content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Java Tech Talks. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.